objects that had fallen into the blower housing could make the dryer run noisy, or stop it from running at all. So let me show you how to remove any fallen object from the blower wheel housing. Always disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet before doing any work on it. Remove the lint filter. Unscrew these 2 screws. Put something under the dryer to keep it at this angle. Remove the terminal block cover plate. And also remove the back panel. Remove these 4 screws that secure the blower wheel duct to the blower housing. Remove the blower wheel duct. Remove anything that had fallen on top of the blower wheel and the blower air duct. Also clean this air intake holes so the air could flow through the lint filter properly. Set the air duct in place. And secure it with the 4 screws. Install the back panel and the terminal block cover plate. Secure the lint filter air duct to the top panel with these 2 screws. And install the lint filter. That was the way to remove any object that had fallen into the blower wheel housing.